So after terminating the partnership with Ye, the artist formerly known as Kanye West, Adidas put out an official press release stating that they're the sole owner of all design rights to existing products, as well as previous and new colorways under the partnership. Then we got a report from Bloomberg indicating that Adidas management has suggested that Adidas intends to sell Yeezy designs without the Yeezy name. And then finally, official images of the 350 V2 Granite loaded on the back end of Adidas, leading many people to speculate that the potential first non-branded Yeezy release would go down this January. So as the month is winding down, my question is, where are the Yeezys? So currently Adidas has a lengthy list of collaborators that they work with, ranging from musical artists to major fashion powerhouses to lesser known designers. Now, out of all of their collaborators that they work with, I feel like currently the one that has the most power to influence, new people and bring them into the whole Adidas brand, I feel like is currently Bad Bunny. He's the most streamed artist in the entire world for 2 years in a row now, and I feel like he has a unique style that his fans really gravitate towards. Now, when it comes to the Adidas collaborations, they've tried a few different silhouettes, but they found the most success with the Forum collaboration, releasing several different colorways that fans really seem to love. So they dropped the Cloud White Forum in December, which was supposed to be the very last colorway for the Bad Bunny Adidas Forum. And then in January, we were supposed to be getting the debut of the Cloud White Campus. So it is now the 28th, the day that the release was supposed to go down. I checked the Confirmed app. I don't see it. I don't see these joints anywhere online. So I'm just guessing that maybe the release was delayed or maybe there wasn't enough hype for this. I don't really know what's going on. So next up, you got Beyonce and Ivy Park. Now, you're not gonna catch me saying anything bad about Beyonce, but if we have to be honest, I would say that really when it comes to the Ivy Park collaboration, it hasn't really been talked so much about, as the first drop, which went down in 2020. So it looks like Adidas had plans to drop the Top 10 2000 shoe, which was an Ivy Park collaboration. This pair was set to launch January 20th, but just like the Bad Bunny pair, the 20th passed. I didn't see these joints anywhere on the Confirmed app. I didn't see them anywhere online. So once again, I don't know what happened to this drop. Is it delayed? I did check out the Adidas Originals Instagram account, and they said that the official Ivy Park collection will be releasing, I guess, February the 9th. So I'm assuming maybe these were delayed, and then we'll officially get them with the entire collection on the 9th. Now, for some collabs that Adidas did actually release, we got the Sean Wotherspoon Oketro, a sneaker that I thought was really dope. I actually dropped a complete full review on them, and I was happy to see that there was a few people in the comment section saying that this pair was a sleeper, but it seems as though for the majority of the sneaker community, if they ain't a Dunk Low, a Jordan 1, or a Jordan 4, everybody just calls them joints trash or say they're bricks. Then of course you got Pharrell, which back in 2016, y'all remember he dropped that classic yellow NMD. So they're back with a new human race. This is the NMD S1. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I feel like these joints are dope, but I feel like the $230 retail price tag will turn some people away. And then you got the Addy 2000 Yu-Gi-Oh joints. Now, check these out. So back in the day, I was never really a Yu-Gi-Oh type of kid. I was more on the Pokemon, Game Boy type of vibe. Never really got into the card game like that. But if you could take a time machine back into the early 2000s, the kids playing Yu-Gi-Oh would definitely be rocking a pair of sneakers that look like this. And what's even crazier, these joints sold out and they're currently going for double on the secondary market. But Adidas isn't all about hyping collabs. They are a worldwide established brand. They had a huge presence at the recent World Cup games, and classic Adidas models like the Gazelle and Samba continue to trend. But after terminating the partnership with Ye, I feel like Yeezy was an entry-level point for a lot of people to buy into the whole Adidas brand. And after the whole partnership has been terminated, I feel like things will just kind of never be the same. So with reports that Adidas is sitting on over $500 million worth of unreleased Yeezy inventory, and Ye even stating himself publicly that he stands behind the designs, they're good by him, and if Adidas does plan to release them, then maybe that will help stop some of the bleeding. And I definitely feel like people would be hyped and excited to be able to cop a pair of 350 V1 Pirate Blacks, which we already see full size runs of these available on the secondary market. Now, on the other side of things, you got people that are boycotting Adidas, and you can't deny that anytime Adidas post something that even remotely resembles a Yeezy on social media, they're gonna get flamed by negative feedback and comments. And I feel like that's something that's gonna haunt this brand for years to come. So Adidas is treading lightly, and they're taking this situation very seriously. I mean, they could just go ahead and release all of these pairs minus the Yeezy branding and make a quick buck, but I feel like they're in fear that the long-term effects of releasing Yeezy designs without Ye behind it could be damaging and negatively impact the brand. So remember, Adidas has never said publicly that they would release these Yeezys. They only stated that they are the owners of the design rights to existing products, as well as previous and new colorways under the partnership. So could the whole Adidas releasing non-Yeezy branded products in 2023 thing been kind of blown out of proportion? Maybe so, but one thing I do feel like Adidas was trying to state by saying that they own the designs is that they could potentially use Yeezy design language on future Adidas releases, but we'll kind of have to just wait and see how 2023 plays out. But I feel like in a perfect world, it would be dope to see Adidas release some of the classic Yeezys like the Pirate Blacks, the 950s, the 750s maybe even, but at a reduced price. I think that would be a perfect way, and I think people wouldn't be mad at that at all. So get in the comments, y'all. Drop your feedback. Do you feel like Adidas is planning to drop these non-Yeezy branded products, or do you feel like this whole thing has just been blown out of proportion? Let me know in the comments below. Salute to everybody for tuning in. I'm J.A. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.